Guys, in this video you are going to learn about national ports of India. So firstly, do you know what are ports? India has a coastline of 7,517 km with 12 major ports and 200 notified non-major ports along the coastline and islands. Ports provide an interface between the ocean transport and land-based transport. Major ports are the ports which are administered by the union government, while non-major ports are administered by the state government. Now let's understand the first port, which is Kolkata port. See how beautiful is this? This is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Kolkata port is only river line major port. Yes, in India, having an existence of about 138 years. Wow. It has a vast hinterland comprising the entire eastern India, including West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP, MP, Assam, northeastern states, and the two landlocked neighboring countries, namely Nepal and Bhutan. Now, let's understand what is Paradip Port. So, Paradip Port is located in Paradip in Odisha. Paradip Port is one of the major ports in India. The Government of India took over the management of the port from the state government on 1st June 1965. The Government of India declared Paradip Port Trust (PPT) as the eighth major port in India on 18th April 1966, making it the first major port on the East Coast commissioned and independent India. Now let's move to the next port. What is that? New Mangalore Port. So where is this located? This is located in Mangaluru. Now you must be thinking, what is Mangaluru? So Mangaluru is a place in Karnataka. So New Mangalore Port was declared as the ninth major port on 4th May 1974. It is ninth major port on which was declared on 4th May 1974 and was formally inaugurated on 11th January 1975. The major commodities imported through the port are POL crude from Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited, MRPL, coal, iron, ore fines, LPG, fertilizer, etc. Now let's understand what is Cochin Port. So Cochin Port is located in Kochi in Kerala. So the modern part of Cochin was developed during the period 1920 to 1940. So during 1920 to 1940 was our country free from the Britishers? No, it was under the Britishers. Now, why was Cochin Port formed? It was formed due to the untiring efforts of Sir Robert Bristow. What is that? Sir Robert Bristow. Bristow. The port of Cochin is located on the Wellington Island on the southwest coast of India, about 930 km south of Mumbai and 320 km north of Kanyakumari. Now let's understand Jawaharlal Nehru Port. So see, this is the pic of Jawaharlal Nehru Port. This is located in Mumbai, which is in Maharashtra. Constructed in the mid 1980s. So in 1980 was our country free from Britishers? Yes. And commissioned on 26th May 1989, Jawaharlal Nehru Port has come along a way by becoming a world-class international container handling port It is situated along the eastern shore of Mumbai harbour of Elephanta Island. Yes, you know Elephanta Island in Mumbai. You must visit it. It's very beautiful. Now let's know about Mumbai Port. So see, this is the beautiful image of Mumbai Port. So do you know what is Mumbai Port? Mumbai Port is the second oldest major port in India after Kolkata. It is situated among almost midway of the west coast of India. So this is also in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The port has long been the principal gateway of India. Mark this one, okay? Now let's understand what is Kamarajar Port. So see, this is the image of Kamarajar Port Limited, which is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You know this is a NO port. This is a NO port. Kamarajar Port Limited, KPL, the 12th major port under the Ministry of Shipping, was commissioned in 2001 primarily as a coal port dedicated to handling thermal coal requirements of Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. So, do you like Kamarajar Port? And what do you think Ennore Port means? So, it's a Ennore Port means its other name. It's not a specific name. Ennore Port. Ennore Port is officially named as Kamarajar Port. Okay. Now, KPL, Kamarajar Port Limited, has the distinction of being the only corporate port amongst the major ports administered by the central government. Now, let's understand what is Chennai Port. So, Chennai Port is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Chennai Port is an all-weather artificial harbour with one outer harbour and one inner harbour. So it has one outer harbour and one inner harbour with a wet dock and a boat basin with round-the-clock navigation facilities. The port was established in 1875, located in the Bay of Bengal. Thank you. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and press the like button. Also, don't forget to comment, share.